problem. There's a real problem there, actually.
Yo, we out here. We's going full survival mode out here. Full survival mode. Yo, look at that. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah. You already know what's up. You already know what's up. Look at this. What is this thing in this package? What's in this package? Let's see what's in this package, alright? Ooh, what's that for? Is this a pew-pew device? Oh my gosh. This couldn't be. What is this, folks? Do you see this beauty? This beauty right here? This is my 12 gauge Nova pump action shoddy. Now, bam! We're shooting gophers today. Just kidding. We're gonna target practice today with this bad boy. Hopefully shoot some pheasants this season. Hopefully we're good sharp shooters. This is a beautiful Italian 12 gauge. It's reeded, camouflage, beautiful baby. Now, what will we be doing today? We're shooting glass. We're shooting glass targets. Putting it up in the snow, and I'm gonna be sniping it. We're gonna see how good of a shooter Jonathan Snares is. One of the best shotguns on the market. Now what's in here? Target shells. Ooh. Buddy wasn't filming the fun times. Buddy was going without the camera for a little bit, but that is so crazy. I own a freaking shoddy. Maxed out at 4. That's still a lot. Alright, it's 19 degrees out here in Minnesota, no joke. Look at that. This is a bunch of glass we're shooting today versus my gun. Let's see what happens out here. The old sled doggered right there. Alright, so this is my 12 gauge benelay. We're shooting from about 30 yards. That's where we're shooting at. I'm gonna get the zoom lens pretty soon here. That's how far we're gonna be shooting. We're gonna shoot a few target rounds at the bastard. We'll see if we hit it. Gotta be at least 30 yards. The air is so freaking dry out here, guys. It's 19 degrees, 19 degrees, 19 spanking degrees. It's freezing out here. I mean, I'm gonna be cold no matter what. Let's shoot the freaking target. Let's see, let's see. That's a little better. Look. I told y'all I'd clean my teeth up after those grinds. If you're wondering if I'm going fishing again, it's winter, so we're hunting, we're not fishing. I'm a turbo ice fisherman, but let's zoom in at the target right here. No, focus. Yes, yes, focus. Focus, little sphincter. All right, we're gonna have a couple different angles. Let's switch the angles up later. Let's get to shooting. I'm gonna put my earplugs in. Let's see if I can hit the target. No balls. Yo, I didn't hit it, I don't think. Okay. Now let's review the footage. I'm reviewing the footage here, boys. Come on, you little sphincter. Focus. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Now come on and show me. Shoot that thing. Shoot the thing, buddy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, shoot the thing. Shoot the thing, bro. Shoot the thing. Come on, let's get it. Shoot the thing. Quit being a chicken. Come on. We already know. We already know. Now shoot the thing, boys. Oh, shut up. Quit stalling. Come on. Come on, you bastard. I'm a freaking angry sailor right now, you son of a dick. Come on, shoot the thing. Shut up and stop talking. Stupid. Dang, that sounded cool. Okay, redo, I hear you. I hear you, bro. Shoot it. Shoot it. Ooh, I got it. Let's go again. Bang! That sounds like freaking Call of Duty. That sounds like Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Last one. Come on. You missed, you stupid sphincter. All right, let's go again. Good boy. Good boy. Let's get it. That was a good shot. All right, last one. Dang. Let's check out that one, Papa. Look at all those wads. That's insane. So I'm scraping the thing up, got the big lens on, scraping the bottom, which means, look at that. I hit the thing all over. It's all dented up right there, all over, guys. I'm doing an eye job. Ooh, Papa Pink Man to you. Shoot, 2. And then I got 1 more to go after this. All right, let's get it. Oh, it's clogged in there. It was clogged in there. Ooh, splendid. Diddly dunded. That was right on. That was because it was for you guys. Not kidding. I seen all the brush around it rustle. Seriously, behind it. That was a perfect shot. Perfect shot right there. That's for subscribing to the channel. Let's see what's up. Dang. That was good. You know what? I'm gonna go grab an acorn slug because you guys have been so nice to me lately. Time to work. Time to go to work. Time to go to work. Time to go to work. Get working, bro. My brother said not to be shooting these, but you know what? We have to at least break that glass today. I'll have you guys look at that. That's an acorn slug, looks like an acorn in the thing. This thing's gonna have some kickback. If I miss that, I wouldn't be shocked, but because the odds of me hitting that thing is pretty freaking difficult. So, this is my YouTube. If I miss this thing, I'll never get any subscribers. If I get this thing, Grandpa. Oh yeah. All right, let's shoot the bastard. Holy dick! Holy dick! Holy dick! That was beautiful. That was beautiful. I'm pretty far and I just demolished the thing. This was for the channel. I said that. Holy dick. It's not even there. It's not even there. It's gone. My thing got accuracy. It blew up. It blew up into hundreds of pieces. My baby got accuracy out here. Holy crap. Absolutely hammer banged her. Holy crap, bud. That's crazy. That was a good shot. If he found out I just shot that slug, he traveled far and wide to get me all the way. He traveled states to pick up my brother to go out to the oil rigs, and while he was at it, he got me some ammunition. Shout out to my brother. Well, my auntie brother, if you know what I'm saying. Hope this video wasn't very boring for y'all, but I'm telling you, I had a fun time. If you didn't, just like the old Call of Duty. But if you didn't have a fun time, you may leave. But before you leave, you have to hit the subscribe button.